Hi, my name is Brian and I live in East Grand Rapids, Michigan. The site that we're standing on, the house was probably 80 to 90 years old. It's a rather historic area. We decided to tear the house down and build a new house. The idea with the home was to blend in somewhat with the surrounding homes, but also give it an updated feel. Why did we choose TruCedar? The historic look of the product was important. You'll notice on the house there's double 4 and single 8 siding. It kind of gave an updated look to a rather traditional looking house. The color was an important decision. Between us and the architect, we decided on the Cottage red. Fantastic looking color with the contrast of the white trim. It really is a fantastic look and very different from the sea of tans and grays that are in the area. We went with TruVent Hidden Vent Soffit for the performance as well as the aesthetics, the beauty of the product. It looks like individual slats, a really historic look, but very crisp, clean lines, and none of the maintenance that is associated with those traditional products. And one of the key things that we were concerned about was ventilation of the attic. In the area that we live, the ventilation problems are very apparent. Every house around here, especially this thing on the corner up here. Ice damming, not seeing holes in the snow in the roof. With this product, we have a continuous cap of snow on the roof the entire winter, so there's no heat loss that's associated with escaping from inside the home. So we have continuous attic ventilation, continuous under-eave ventilation, as well as continuous ridge vent ventilation. Balance system in the attic to allow for continuous airflow through the attic.